This event is really insightful and I think useful for all marketers, and also like there's always something new to learn from the Adjust team as well as from other marketers as well. I'm always happy to attend every Adjust event, so hopefully next event we'll learn something new, maybe in the new area like fraud preventions or maybe deep linking as well.
First thing first, this is new in Indonesia. Like not all Indonesians know about mobile attribution, so on and so forth. And the thing is, the mobile users in Indonesia is quite higher compared to desktop users. It could be said that 19% compared to 10%. So that's why we need an education about this one.
The Adjust team is really friendly and willing to answer all the questions. Not all the questions regarding just give us the satisfaction of the answer, but try to give us the solution and give us some kind of development thing that we will catch up with the latest technology. Keep maintain our objective to aim the customer satisfaction and engage with the company.